Hey there, who's there? I am Summit Pencil, and you have tuned in to coding. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a limit showering. Now you will ask me, what is limit showering? Now let me tell you what is limit showering. In this project, we will practice and apply and create a shower water usage calculator in App Lab. Code Dog App Lab, this one. Zap Lab. Like there are many things. Transporting Game Lab, there's App Lab also. So let's start with the stowing. Bathing under the shower is currently the worst way to bath. The shower wastes a lot of water and people cannot keep track of how much water they used. Your task is here to create a timer application that has to start and stop that has a start and stop button which calculates the water used in a shower. Remember that each minute, 60 seconds of showering uses 5 liters of water. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so by default, first let's do the design. If we do it in full screen mode, and you be easy for you to see also. Let me just increase its size. Let's go. This is good, right? Save it now. So first, let's change the background. I get confused. There's so many backgrounds. But let's do the default. What's robot? No. What is not that good? First, let's go with default only. Let's first start with default, then we'll just make the buttons and all. Okay, so first let's make a button here, a start button, and then the text is let's me do it start calculating. Mm, 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 mm. Wait. Let me increase the width and decrease the height so that I can just not do it here. Click here to start calculating. Click here to start calculating. Huh. And then I can make one here like this. Keep it side equal. The width is 216, 43, 116, 43. Huh. It's equal. So I'll do click here to stop calculating and let me do it. Stop button. Stop button. Now I've made these. Now they're not doing any function. Look, function. Right? No function because I not the code. The code space is empty. Right? So there should be the design should be like what? There should be a design also, right? Yeah. So the design should be like, I'll show you now. First, let's now make another thing. They will be yeah, might have given some rules. Showing the start button is clicked. No, I need designing. Okay, I got it. So showering duration and everybody. Okay, so first let's there should be 7 more labels. Okay, let's make 7 more labels. So one more label. This is let's do it here. It should indicate showering duration. Showering duration. And let me do it here and here. Let's make it small and put it up. Put it up here. Huh. Showering duration. Now, one more label here, and let's make it big. Type liters. Sorry. I think it's liters like this. And let me do it. Control Z. Backspace. Now, to take the text assignment, center, right? Now, let's do the font family to comic. I like comic. That's why I do this in every video. And font size, in the case of font size, a little bit smaller. And so let's change the font size of this one also. Sorry, texts. Font family. Yeah, font family. So to comic. It's got this one also. No, not Korea. Comic. I like comic. That's why. Comic. Let's make one more label. Like, let's tear. Let's make it as it was label of liters. And I did not change it of this label too because I did not. There's no need to change it of showering, duration, and liters. So, but I am going to change of this. So it should show the let me do it down because they should be showing the time. Look, I'm mad. Play this first, and then just rename it. What should I name it? Water used. Water used. Label. Enter. I don't know it. Add to dictionary. I add to the dictionary. Now let me let anything to just check the size. And let me do the text alignment center. And was the font size is 25. Comic. And what was the width? Width is 130. 130. 35. It's done. It's done. No. Let me just take it out. Now let me make some labels here. Let's see labels. And the designing part of this is also very difficult. Delete. Now minutes and let me do just same as it was here 25 comic 25 comic center, and now I have to make a colon. Okay, so let me just make a label here. I just there should be only one colon, so that's why I don't to rename it. Let me just rename it to colon. And click M. Okay, so delete X and make a colon. Just 130. We'll see 130, 35. I don't need it to be that much long. So I know I'm just increasing its width. It's up to you if you want it to make it long. It's up to you. And let me do it from here also. Not this one. This. Just like this. Now let me change the font family. Comic font size. Text live in center. I think decrease the font size. Alignment center, 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 center. It's center. So center. This does not looks like it's a center. Okay, I can take it as a center. Now second label. Seconds. Now this designing part is so difficult. First thing I saying it. Designing is difficult. 35. 35. We do it up. Let me run and check. What's it showing? It's like this now. And bum 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 ba 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 ha ha. So designing is done. Let's come to coding. So first, let's make some variables. Okay. Let's declare a variable. What is the name of the variable? Now let's do it the instructions. Let's read the instructions. Display seconds. First, let's make it display seconds. Display seconds equals to 0. It will say this, but don't we have it? Display minutes equals to 0. Now, I think I'm making more variables. Okay, water used here. Water used. Water used. Think. Find, but it's not called in the program. We are just declaring it, not doing anything. Prompt user for a value and store it. Let's see the examples. What is chosen here? Click on see examples. Examples. Variable name. Oh, set example. It's nice. Code doc is very nice. Found a bug in the documentation. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. So what I use now, what we have to do. Create a time loop of 1000 milliseconds. Just per seconds because it is fast. Now let's do the. Okay, so it should be like this. 1 minute. Let's me do it on event. Should go like leading it. Let's not declare it first. Let's first put on event. On event. This is start button. Start button. Click variables. Variable x. Variable x. Variable x. Okay. Let me name it display. Seconds. Seconds. Display minutes. What do you see? Let's see. I read like this. Now it's what expected an identifier instead saw this. Dun, 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 dun. It'll say this only. Please don't get worried. It's it here also. No time loop. So let's check the design. I think so. So let's just add one more label here. Okay, because I forgot to add the water use label. Water use label. Set add to dictionary. Water used. Water used. Water used. Lock this. It's just the lock button. It's so an image. I don't want an image, so you can just delete. Now let me set a nice color. Area 51. Area 51 is super, 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 super. It's looking superb. Area 61. It's best. Okay, so now let's come back to coding. Mm-mm-mm. So now we have to make two time loops. Okay, so let's make a time loop. It's in the controls. This time loop. It is it's like this. Now time loop 1000. It's like that. Only another time loop which is of 6000. 6000. And then you can create a time loop for 1000 milliseconds and 6000 milliseconds as shown below. Display seconds equals to display seconds plus 1 in time loop 1000. It should show. Come. Yeah. No, why? Okay, let me do display minutes. Let's do math display minutes plus 1. Display seconds equals to 0. I need to do this here also. I don't know why they do so much coding now. Everything should be in sequence. Variable. What am I doing? Display minutes. Here. Display minutes. Why is it display second? Will return. It's like that only. Display seconds equals to 0. Display seconds equals to 0. And then what I used? Table water used equals to water used plus 5. Now 1000 display seconds equals to display seconds plus 1. Display display seconds equals to oh now man. I think it's so interesting, but you should know it. Like interesting. Per seconds plus 1. Okay. Now set text. Set text. Seconds. Okay, now where's the text? Set text. Seconds. Set text. Seconds equals to display seconds. Seconds. Set text. Again set text. Let me drag set text. 3 set text at one time only, so it will help. Set text. Water used. Water used. Water used. Set text. Minutes. Space minutes. Here it is minutes. Display minutes. minutes. And again, now one more on event, stop button click, stop timed loop. Let's run check. Ooh, what is it showing? Split seconds. I've done something wrong. Split seconds equals to split seconds plus 1. Things happening. Okay, now let's check what's wrong. Let me check. Right here. Let me run and check. Calculating. Stop calculating. Nothing happened. At 5 to water use label. 6 to... Wait a second, I think I made a mistake here. Let me run and check. Why? I think this set text is a little bit wrong. I think set text at 1 is a bit wrong. Let me check. So the set text is only wrong. Okay. I don't know what's wrong. Okay. Okay, so I found out what's the mistake. So in this, we have to make some this variables outside also. Outside this on event. So let's do it. I think this is also the problem. Display variable display seconds equals to 0. Now let's take one more variable, two more variable blocks. Display minutes equals to 0. Now water used equals to 0. Now let's check. What is the problem? 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 I think they should be in the stop time loop. Display seconds equals to 0, display seconds equals to 0. Why are there so many display seconds? Equals to 0 and will display minutes equals equals to 0. Now one more variable. I think this time it should work. Water used equals to 0. Now let's check. Run. Oh, what is the problem? Let me check. Okay, so I'm going to solve this problem and then I'm going to delete the problem. Okay, so until then,